Thanks ever so much, John. Ministers, ladies and gentlemen, approximately 50 years ago, the US cartoonist and poet Shel Silverstein wrote, "I've done it, I've done it. Guess what I've done? Invented a light bulb that plugs into the sun. The sun is bright enough, the bulb is strong enough, but there's only one thing wrong. The cord ain't long enough." And that's why we're here today. We need to make the cords long enough. The grid interconnections at intra and inter-regional levels across the world play a significant role in enabling all of us to decarbonize our energy systems by utilizing solar and other renewable energy sources placed in different time zones and amplifying that impact at large scale. This obviously requires the creation of a global ecosystem and encompass policymakers, as we have seen here, from India and the UK, from Nigeria and Australia, from the US to Samoa, a collection of countries who gain by the availability of solar energy at times when they would themselves not have it. The success of this massive initiative depends on the country's grid expansion plans, their own plans. It requires a lot of investment, but the investment is less than the investment in generation capacity that they would have to do. In other words, it's something that benefits both the exporter of electricity as well as the importer of electricity. We fully understand that there is an important role for international cooperation. It is important how we look at it, how countries look at connecting regions. What are the kinds of regulatory institutions that become established? We are delighted and grateful for the support provided by the governments of UK, the National Grid, John, thank you, the Government of India, and all of you now in moving this ahead. We'll obviously be working with all of you. We need to learn from global experience. We need you to tell us what is it that we need to do to make this project viable and actually implement it. We look forward to a highly interconnected geo-economic future that assimilates large-scale international network and arrangements for a better and more resilient interconnected world that can keep more decisions locally empowered, but at a global level. Again, I want to thank all of you, the Government of UK and the National Grid, for enabling this and for making it take off as an international initiative. Thank you very, very much.